Hello, how are you all? I'm so excited that you guys requested a Google Hangout. Yay! All right, just give me 1 second and we will get this party started. All right, just like I said, just bear with me 1 second and we'll get this party started. Just letting everybody know it's time to get on. All right. So now listen, guys. Listen, guys, I am going to enable chat. Comment in the chat box if you are, and let's see if you're able to. Okay. I want to see if people are able to chat with me. Otherwise, just send me a text message if you have questions. Send it to this number. Because for some reason, I can never get chat to work. So text me here, 746-3316, 219-746-3316. Text me right now. Let me know who's on, by the way. Just grab your phone, send a quick text message to 219-746-3316, and let me know if you're on. Okay? All right. Now, I need to enable screen share. Okay, hold on a second. Let me get it up so I can show you guys precisely what to do. Okay. Oh, no, that's not what I want to do. Okay. 1 second. Bear with me. Just got to turn on screen share. Okay. Start screen share. Okay. So now you guys can see my back office. Okay. Now, just bear with me as I'm not promoting Thrive. I'm not promoting my business. I just want to show you how to copy and paste. Okay. Mommy. Paige, are you outside? Sorry, I heard the alarm go off and I thought my daughter went outside. So what I'm going to do is I am going to go to my customers and I am going to copy. I'm going to copy, okay? Copy this whole list. So if you already have a list, then you can go into your database and get your list, okay? So I just copied my list. Now let me pull up Excel. And if you don't know how to copy, you just right click and copy it all, okay? So let me pull up Excel and let me delete all this, okay? All right, let me get a new Excel. Hold on, bear with me. And then if you have Microsoft period, you should have Excel. It's Microsoft Excel, okay? So let me screen share again. All right, so now here is my Excel, and you see that it's blank. So I am going to go up here in the left-hand corner between A and 1, and I'm going to right-click, and I'm going to paste. Okay? Now, I don't need this file. I don't need this file because all I want are the names and the emails. Okay. All right. So now, and please don't be copying these emails. I'm doing this, you know, as trustworthy of you guys not copying anything. And then save as. Okay. So save as, and then here you see save as type. I am going to do it as a CSV file for Microsoft, not a Macintosh. I'm going to do it as for Microsoft. Okay. And then you just save it. And I'm going to put it in my Thrive folder. Okay. And I want to replace it. Okay. Just because I already had one and now I want to update it. So I'm replacing it. Okay. So now that I have copied and shared, or copied and saved, trying to get the glare away. Okay. So I copied it by going to my back office. Let me go back. And it's not there, so bear with me a second. Okay. So, oh, where are you guys? Okay. No, not there. Okay. Sorry about that. All right. Are you all there? All right. I accidentally got out of it. Pressed the wrong button. Okay. So now, no, that's the wrong one. Bear with me, bear with me, bear with me. There we go. Okay. So remember, text me if you have any questions. All right, Angela, thank you for letting me know you were on. Okay, so I copied. I just went here and I right clicked, or I left clicked it. I clicked the left button and I copied everything, just to recap. And then I right click and I copy. And then I go to my Excel. Screen share. There's got to be an easier way to do this. And then I go right here and I right click and I paste. And then you'll see that all of my emails showed up. Okay. And there was 270. Okay. So then I go to File. Bear with me, as I am not, YouTube is not my best friend, okay? Okay. And then I go to File and Save As. And I do a CSV file, okay? Because that's the type of file that most people, or that most use. Okay. So now I am going to go to my blog, all right? I'm first going to do anybody who has a blog. Okay. All right. Now let's screen share again. Now that I've, okay. Where is it? Dashboard. Okay. Bear with me, guys. Bear with me. Okay, screen share. I said screen share. Okay. Now, this is the back end of my blog. So anybody who has a blog, just bear with me, because if you don't have a blog, don't worry about it. I'm going to show you how to use how you can use MailChimp, okay? Or you can use Yahoo or Hotmail, okay? The most important part was making sure that you had your file saved. So now I have a plugin called MailPoet. Where is it? MailPoet, okay? And MailPoet, all right, just real quick, MailPoet is a really good blog plugin for newsletters, okay? So let me go back and screen share. Okay, so if you don't know how to do a plugin, if you don't know how to add a plugin, you just go to your plugin tools, add new, and then you search and you type in MailPoet. Okay, this one I really like because you don't have to have it connected. See, so I have this one right here, MailPoet newsletters. All right, and it's right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to subscribers, and I have all my Thrive customers already added to it. So I'm going to do import, and I'm going to upload a file, and I'm going to browse. So here, documents, Thrive, free customer account, notified. All right, which one am I doing out of this one? Okay. And then you're going to see that it needs a CSV file. So see right there, that's why I saved it as a CSV file. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to hesitate. Can we do the exact same thing with our earnings? What screen recorder do you use? Okay, 1 second, Angela. Okay, so I'm going to upload the file. Next step. All right, Thrive customers, and I'm going to import. Okay, and now you'll see that there are 611 in here. Okay, so subscribed on February 2nd. So I added them on February 2nd. All right. 100. Now, I wanted to show you, the next page. And the next page. So see, these people were added on the 24th. And then all the other people were added on February 2nd. These are all of my new subscribers, okay? So these are all my new emails that I just received. Okay, so that's how you do MailPoet. And then if you want to send an email through MailPoet, you just go to newsletters and create a new email, and then Thrive Customers. And you'll see there's 261 of them. You put it in a subject line. All right, so I'll just do test. And then the next step. So stay with me, all right, and then you just create your email. And then you can choose what group you want it to go to. I really hope that this whole thing that I just went over shared, or because it looked like it didn't. So let me go, oh my goodness sakes. Okay, so Angela, message me and let me know, did you guys actually see that step-by-step? Did you actually see this step-by-step where you go to MailPoet and then you hit subscribers and then you add a list, or not add a list, add subscriber. Hold on. Edit lists. And then edit. No, import. I'm sorry, import. And then you upload a file, you browse, and then you click your file. Did it show all of that already? Okay, thank goodness. Thank goodness. Okay. All right, so now that you got that part down, that is for if you have a blog, okay? And MailPoet, even if your blog isn't active, even if you haven't posted an update on your blog, you can still use your blog, because then, let me show you. Screen share, where are you? Okay. Screen share. Because then if you're using your blog, when you go to your newsletters, you can create a new email and then say, I'm going to do Thrive subscribers. Okay, test. You can, all right, let's see. Next step. Now you can type in the name. So I'm going to put Heather Lynn. Okay, of who's sending it, so it shows up in their email, and who they replied to, Heather Lynn. Okay, and then you can either schedule it or you can send it right now. And the nice thing that I like about it is the fact that at the bottom, they can automatically reply to you. And if you have branded your name, see, like I've branded my name as Heather Lynn. So now when they receive the email, they're going to see that it's from Heather Lynn, and they've already recognized that. Okay, thank you so much, Angela, for letting me know that. Okay, who is this? They never called you back. Oh, this is Kara. What is the screenshot we're looking at right now? Is it something you created? Sorry, what's the platform? Never mind, I see it's Mail Poet. Okay, yes. So that's if you have a blog, okay? So now I'm going to go to MailChimp, okay? All right, bear with me, bear with me, bear with me. All right, bear with me here. MailChimp. All right, it's just MailChimp.com. All right, or you can do this through your Google, through your Yahoo, through your Hotmail, through your Gmail. All right, so I just went to MailChimp.com. Present to everybody. You are screen sharing and presenting to everybody. Okay. All right. So I went to MailChimp.com, and it's completely free. If you don't already have one, you just created an account, and I'm going to log in now because I've already created my account. And again, it's completely free. Okay. So the nice thing I like about MailChimp is it shows you, I mean, your Mail Poet, it shows you this also. But like, you know, the last time I've done a MailChimp, just because I use my blog, was on August of last year. But bear with me as it's been a while since I've used this. So let's see, how do we, you might want to play around with it as this, okay, lists. Okay. Create a list. Okay. Create a list. So for those of you who didn't see that, I just went up here to the three little bars on the left-hand side. And I click lists. Okay, why is it not showing you guys? Oh, it is. Okay. And then I'm going to click create a list. Okay. Do you want to create a new list, or do you want to subdivide an existing list with groups? I want to create a list. Okay. So this is going to be called my Thrive. Oh my Lord, my nails need to get cut. Customers. Okay. Default from email, info at heathergarwers.com, and default from Heather Lynn. Okay. And then you always want to remind people, write a short remember on how they received and joined your list. You are receiving this email because you are a valued Thrive customer. You have created a free customer account within my website at www.heathersmiracle.lavel.com. Okay? So you always want to make sure you let them know how they're receiving the list. Okay, here is my contact information. I'm going to update it because this has been a while. Okay, it's not letting me. Okay, screen share. Okay. All right, edit. So let's see, I'm not gonna add my actual address. Okay, unless it makes me. Okay, it's making me. All right, so I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. Okay. Okay, please check your entry and try again. Oh Lordy, what is going on? Please check what entry? Oh my goodness sakes. Let's just cancel out of here.
Mommy.
Create a list.
Mommy.
Create list.
Mommy.
All right. Let's try this again, guys. Sorry about this. All right. Thrive customers. Default address people will reply to. info@heatherdarwish.com. Default name, Heather Lynn. You are receiving this email because you have created a free customer account via my website, www.heathersmiracle.laval.com. Okay. Let's see. Save. Okay. You have a brand new list. Okay. I don't know what I did wrong the first time. So now I'm going to import my subscribers. Okay. And again, remember, look, it needs a CSV file. So I'm going to upload my CSV file. Browse. And it's in my Thrive folder. And there it is. Okay. I understand my billing plan may be automatically upgraded. Okay. Yeah, because you're only allowed so many emails before it's not free. Okay, next. And then you'll see it says column name, make a selection. So this is their first name. And this, so save. And this is their email, save. Okay, next. Import method file, importing 2 of 2 columns. Category, subscribed. Okay. You're all set to import. Please review your selections before importing your data. Okay. Okay, subscribed. Now we're going to import. Okay. So we're importing your list. You can navigate away from this page. Importing won't be affected. Okay. So now end screen share. All right. So that is how you import. You copy and paste all of your customers, and then you import it. Okay. You copy and paste it into, so you copy it from your database, unless your database allows you to send emails right there, from there. Sorry about the kids screaming. If your database won't let you send emails directly from your company website, then you want to save them. Excuse me. Okay. You want to save them as a CSV file in your Excel. Okay. So you copy them in your back office or wherever you have your email list. Then you paste it in Excel and you file save as a CSV file. Charlie Sam Victor file. Okay. Now, if you say you're going to do, say you're going to do Yahoo. Okay. One second. Let me pull up Yahoo. Okay. Let me pull up Yahoo. Okay. All right, screen share. I'm so excited you guys y'all are still with me. So screen share. Okay. Now we're gonna go to Yahoo. Okay.
Mommy,
Angie, thank you for subscribing to me on YouTube. Yay! Okay. So bear with me as okay. So you can add them.
Mommy, give me a shot.
Contacts.
Mommy,
Okay.
give me a shot.
Okay.
Mommy,
All right. Import contacts. So if you see, I logged into Yahoo. Mommy's doing a video. Yes. After I'm done. After I'm done. Yes.
When you're done, take this with you.
Yes. All right. So I went over here and I clicked contacts. Let me make sure it's screen sharing. It is. Okay. And then import contacts. Let's see. File, upload. Upload a contact file from your desktop. So import. To transfer contacts from an email program, you'll need to export all your contacts list first. Like in a CSV. See there again, CSV or VCF format. All right, so we need our CSV format. So I'm going back and I'm getting my CSV format and I am importing it. Okay, now it is uploading. Okay, so imported. Okay. All contacts. Now, all my contacts are in here. Okay. So I have 518 contacts now. Let's see, assigned a list. Oh man, I should have done that first. I would have to go through email contacts. Oh man, I should have assigned it to a list. Let me see if I can do that. Let me see if I can. Contacts. Let's see, bear with me. Import contacts, import new, browse. Here's my file. No, it's not going to let me. Okay, so then you can go through and see, I just selected all of them and I can assign my contacts and say Thrive list. Done. Okay. Done.
Mommy, hurry up because my tummy hurts.
Okay.
Mommy, hurry up.
All right, baby. Okay. Terms of use and anti-spam requirements. Okay.
Ouchie.
Oh, that's MailChimp. Okay. So let me come back here. Okay, so that is how you do it, guys. Email or text me if you have any questions. 746-3316. Text me. Let me know if you have any questions. I can go over some of the sections again if needed. Let me know, did you all get it? Do you understand? This is being recorded, so we definitely will have access to this again. So I'm going to wait just a few minutes, maybe 1 or 2 minutes at the most, and I'm going to wait and see if anybody needs to text me with any questions. Okay? Okay. So text me if you have any questions, because that, guys, is how you do a mass email. Let's go back to screen share real quick. So say you were in Yahoo, okay? You would just go to, if you wanted to create an email, you would just go to all, so you would go up here to see where my little mouse is. Follow the mouse, go to Thrive List, select everybody, and then email contacts. Okay? Now, it's in a carbon copy, blind copy. So you do not, absolutely do not want all of these people. Let's see if I can copy. Oh, man. All right, that is not the way you want to do it. Let's see, email contacts. You know what? Let's try this. Let's go over here, because that is not the way you want to do it. You want to go to compose, because you do not want them all to show up here, because then it's showing as a group text, and you don't want that. I personally would refrain from doing Yahoo, just because I'm going to show you in the other ones, you can't personalize it. And I need to change that because I am not with It Works anymore. So blind carbon copy. Okay. Thrive List. My Thrive List. And then you can go through, and it looks like you have to select everyone individually. Okay. And then add. Now it's blind carbon copy. Now it's not going to show everybody as a whole. It's only going to show up. So say I did my email, info@heatherdarwish.com. Okay. Then it's only going to show that I'm sending info@heatherdarwish.com. And even though it's sending all of these people an email also. Okay. That's what blind carbon copy. You don't want to use carbon copy because it's going to show all of the recipients. Blind carbon copy does not. Okay. So say you were going to use MailPoet. Okay. Say you were going to use MailPoet, and I am going to create a campaign. Create campaign. Okay. Campaign. Regular campaign. Okay. And I want to do it to all my Thrive customers. Send to entire list. Next. Now look at what name of campaign, test. Okay. Email subject, test. Look, it automatically defaults from Heather Lynn, and the email automatically defaults from my email address. Okay. You want to track the opens. So who's opening it? And you can even auto paste it. You want to connect it to Facebook. You can even auto connect it to Facebook to show up so your people on Facebook can see the email. Just check your entries again. Okay, verify. Just verify this domain. HeatherDarwish.com. Please enter. Please send verification email. Oh, okay. I'll have to do that later. So what was my email? That it was, I think it was support at HeathersNetwork.com. Okay. I think that was my old email. All right, next. Okay. Now look. Select. We're selecting a template. Okay. Now, if you look, text right here, okay? Look at what it does. This is my favorite part. Okay, I am deleting the text. Now look, merge tags, first name. Now, for every single person in your list, their first name is going to show up right here. That is why I recommend using MailChimp or MailPoet. Because your merge tags, now instead of it looking like it's not personalized, it's going to show their name right here. Test email, okay? So it's going to say Heather and then comma, test email, all right? So instead of it being just test email and not showing the person's name, if it's saved, that's why I uploaded their first name and their email. Because if it shows, if it's in the database, just their email, then there's no way for it to pull up their first name. If you save it, so if you look, I saved them with their first names, okay, and their email. So that way, when I do a merge tag, that way when I do a merge tag, come on, screen share. That way when I do a merge tag right here, it's going to show up their first name. Okay? Okay. I have 3 questions. All right. Bye, Kara. No, Angela, it look like if you're in Yahoo, let me go back. Angela, it looks like if you're in Yahoo, you cannot assign a list. So is that what you were talking about as far as assigning a list? You can't assign a list before creating it. It looks like you can't. Let's see, is chat working? Okay. Okay. Yeah, it looks like if you are in Yahoo, you cannot assign a list before importing your email. But if you are in MailChimp or MailPoet, yes, you can. That's why I don't really use Yahoo or Hotmail or Gmail to send out a mass list or a mass email. I use my Nail Poet, my blog. So thank you guys. Bye-bye for now. It was fun. Thank you so much for coming on. It was my absolute honor to teach you how to do a NAFS email. And I hope you all have a great day. Bye-bye. Do me a favor, comment below if you are like on the Yahoo link, the YouTube link. Comment below if you found this useful, and share it with all your family and friends. Bye for now.